This is a nice Cernunnos Greenman design, or Holly King and Oak King for winter and summer. The stone itself is a very beautiful fire agate, which in the sunlight you can see it has deep golds, greens, blues. Really good all-around fire agate for color. And on this side we have the Cernunnos horns reaching up and wrapping around, a little twisted berry wire going around the bezel, a little Trinity symbol here, and the green man coming up and reaching up over the bezel, and built on a triple wire base. Really nice large design.